Hi, I'm Janina. I'm from Miele, Germany, and today I will give you some insights on Miele's new 2-in-1. Unlike a normal range hood that is installed above a cooktop, the 2-in-1 will be installed in a cooktop. So the biggest benefit with an appliance like that is that you directly catch the vapors where they will be produced. And another big benefit is that you have a clear, unrestricted view into the living room, for example, and you do not need to make space for a range hood in a wall unit or on a wall directly, for example. Also, in small kitchens, the 2-in-1 is a great idea. The controls are very easy to use. We have fast and flexible cooking zones, and also the cleaning is very easy. Smart Select is the most intuitive operation control we have in the whole Miele cooktop family. That means setting of power settings is very easy. With a PowerFlex cooking zone, you have 3 different possibilities when it comes to the usage. You can use the individual cooking zones with smaller pots, or you combine the area together, then you can use a bigger pot or pan, or on the whole area, a casserole dish, for example. If a PowerFlex cooking zone is used with the twin booster function, the biggest benefit is that cooking times are reduced to a minimum. It means that if on one small cooking zone the booster setting 2 is used, you get the highest possible output, because the power that normally 2 cooking zones will be used on just one. So that means you have twice as much power, and that of course reduces the heat up times really to a minimum. Above all, the 2-in-1 is a problem solver, especially when you would have a problem installing a range hood when you have a slanted ceiling, or when you have a very high ceiling, or when there is a window in front of the cooktop. Then the 2-in-1 is a perfect alternative because it will be integrated directly in the benchtop. If you would like to learn more about the new 2-in-1, visit your local Miele Experience Center for a free demonstration.